Good morning, student. And today's video for the class 6 videos of subject is computer, and this video for the class 6 and chapter number 5 male words in Word 2016. Male words in Word 2016. And I am presenting a question male word 2016. Okay, my dear student. So today I will start introduction. What is a male word? What is the use of male words? Why do we need male words? You know all one thing, computer is a good technology, provide so many uses, miracles, benefits. So this is a part of the male words, just like a value of benefits. Male words in a Word 2016. My dear student, you know very well that what is the use of word? What is the use of word? Typing a letter, make a table, and doing words, just like writing letters. So male is a part of the words. So male word is a useful application of word software. It is a useful application. It may happen that you need to invite various people to a ceremony. Suppose that in your marriage, in any function, you want to invite the people. Then you have to duplicate the body of letter and keep change the address of message manually. Suppose that you invite so many people that you have a letter, invitation letter. That time you only one letter can't distribute to the all person. That time you have to make the duplicates, and you can make the portrait of one letter for the other person, but that all work do by you manually. So it is a big task, because one letter write particular one person name, and other letter write the second person name, and third letter write the third person name, and fourth person and fourth name, and fifth letter fifth person name, sixth letter sixth person name. Suppose that it is the 1000 person, then you have to write the 1000 times the name of the other person according to different letters. So this is a big task. But you have the computer, you know about the computer. What is the use of taking your tension, taking the big task? But by the help of male words, the Word 2016, that this work you can do very easily. So my dear student, listen carefully. So happen that Word 2016 has solved this problem using any easy and steps detailed in this chapter. Okay, so start male words. Male words. My dear student, as the name of male words consists broadly 3 steps. First is creation of main document. Creation of main document. In the main word, first one is the creation of main document. Second, creation of address. Creation of address. And third is merging main document with address list to produce various letters. Merging main document with address with list to to produce what is it? To produce various types. So first the creation of main document is creation of main letter, main creation, main document, and creation of address list. First of all, what is the matter of invitation? So that type of one letter. And second is the creation of address list. How many persons will invite the function? So there is the invitation list of the person, address list. Merging the document with the address list. Up then, what will done? Here is the one paper of two invitation letter of that paper, and second is the address list of particular all person who will come at the ceremony to produce. So that is the merging main document with address list to produce various letter. Produce various letter. Okay. So now the address list is also known as a data source. So the address list is also known as a data source. Data source means how many persons will invite your function. So address list means data source. The process of mail merge combines the data source with the main document. Data source with the main document. Because what is the use of without address list? We will send invitation letter for which person. So address list is the data source, and it will join with the main document. So all the fine letters are known as a merge document. So fine letter will call the merge document because the merge two things will merge, address list and the main document. Main document will merge after merging the letters called the merge document. Merge document. So process of mail merge. Process of mail merge. Process of mail merge. We are following some steps for the mail merge process. Step 1. So my dear student, step first, select document type. Select document type. Select document type. So my dear student, open a new document in MS Word and click on the mailing tab. Open a new document in MS Word and click on the mailing tab. First of all, what will you do? Open new document. First of all, you have to open document in MS Word and click on the mailing tab. Click on mailing tab. Next, click on the start mail merge option. Click on start. Click on start mail merge option. Click on start mail merge option. A drop down menu appears Then click on the step by step mail merge button. Click on step by step. Click on step by step mail merge button. wizard. Mail merge wizard. The mail merge task pane will open on the right side of the screen. The mail merge task will open on the right side of the screen as shown figure 5.1. Step 1 to 6 at the bottom of the pane, you can select the type of document you want to create, like letter, email messages, labels, as you wish. Next, click on the letters from the select document. Click on the letters from select document. Click on the letter from select document. Click on the letter from select document. Select document type. Click on the next start document at the bottom of the pane. Click on that. Click on next starting document. Starting document at the bottom of the page. So these are the steps, and all the steps related to the figure number 5.1 starting mailing. So first step, click here mailings. Second, click here the start mail, drop down menu, and click here the step by step mail merge wizard. And step number 4, select letters because the mail merge the right sides area of the worksheet. So click on the letters, select document tabs, mail merge pane task pane. Next, click here step 1 to step 6, next starting document. Okay, my dear student. So this figure 5.1 starting mail merge. Starting mail merge. And this figure on the page number 49. And now I will discuss step number 2, select starting document. Select starting document. Select starting document. This is step number 2. Step number 2. So in this step, click on the use the current document. Use the current document. As a this is figure 5.2. Select currently document from the mail. Click on the use the current document. Click on use the use of current document. Second step. First step, click on the current document. And second step, click on the text, select recipient. Click on the next. Select. Select recipient. You will move to next step, and now after 2 steps you will move the new step. So both step on the figure 5.2 starting current document for the mail merge. So after the step, some steps, I will again show the whole figure by the book. then you can match with your book. So this step 2, click on the use of the current document and click on the next select. Step number 3, select the sequence. In this step, my dear student, recipient can either select from the existing list, or you can create a new list. Recipient select from the existing list and you can create a new list. From step here, click on the tab on new list. Click on the tab on new list. Click on the type of a new list. Name what is the tab new list. Tap on new list and click on the create option. And then click on the create option. Click on the create option. The new address list dialog box appear. Then new address dialog box appear. So this dialog box you can see in the figure 5.4. In here on the page number 49, there are two options, figure 5.3 and figure 5.4. So because the first and second option show in the figure 5.3 and this option figure 5.4. Click here. And after this option, you want to change the delete the column. If you want to change the delete column, click on the customize column in the new address list. Customize column. Customize columns in the new address list. In the new address list. New address list. Dialog box. New address list dialog box. Okay. You look in the customize list. Click on the customize columns in the new address list dialog box. The customize address list dialog box opens as the figure 5.5 on the page number 50. I will show you. If a next fourth option, if you want to delete any field, then select field from the field name. Go to the field name, select field name, go to field name and click on the delete option. And click on the delete option, a message for confirmation will appear. Click on the yes. If you want to delete, then message will confirm you want to delete or not delete. Then you click on the yes to delete the field, otherwise click on no. The select field will get deleted. This is also the figure 5.6 message box to confirm delete of field. Next, 5 option number sure. Similarly, at delete new field. Similarly, to add a new field, select the entry after which you want to add a new field and click on the add button. Click on add button. The file. Click on add. My mistake, I will write before giving some points, not all points, because all points book. I'm focusing. I'm explaining why this reason I'm writing. So it's just I'll click on the add button. Click on the add button. The add field dialog box open. Then add field dialog box open as a figure 5.7 on same page. And new option 6. Tap the field name. Tap the field name and click on OK. You have to tap the field, click on OK. You will see the field inserted in the box. Click on OK button. The new address list dialog box is ready with all the field you want. With the field you want. Next, saving. Option number 7. Tap all the entries and click on the OK button. Tap all the entries. The save address list dialog box open as shown figure 5.9. As a figure 5.9. And option number 8. Tap the name of the field. Tap the name of the file in the file name. Tap the name of the file name box and click on save button. Click on save button. The mail merge sequence dialog box open as figure 5.10. Figure 5.10. You can edit sort filter. You can edit sort filter, etc. Detail recipient like on the OK button. And last, the click. Now click on new. Next, write your letter in mail merge task. Write a letter in mail merge task. So before start, write your letters. So first of all, I want to say to you about the again mail merge. According to your pictures. Mail merge. See here. Select a document type is the first step. How to select the mail merge. So these are the steps in figure 5.1. Click here mailing and click here to start mailing. Third option, click here. Step by step mailing merge wizard. Step number 4, select letters. Step number next, mail merge task pane. From the mail merge task pane, we will select the letters. As you want to type of document, letter, email message, envelopes, labels, directory. So letters, so many types. And next, this is the figure. Step 1 of 6. Click here. New start document. So this figure on the page number 49, figure 5.1, starting mail merge. And next figure 5.2, selecting current document of mail merge. So first is the click here, use the current document, start from a templates, start from an entering document. But here we will start the click here to use the current document. And next to click here, step 2 of 6. Step 2 of 6 means this is the second step of from the sixth step. Next, select recipient, previous select document. So my dear student, after it, figure 5.3, mail merge task pane to create a new list. Here, click here, mail merge, type a new list, and second click here to create. First of all, type a new list. Otherwise, you can click here. Create list. These are the step. Last step, step 3 of the 6. Next, write your letter, previous starting document. And after this is figure 5.3, and next figure is the 5.4. In this figure, new address list. Click here the customize columns. Customize column. You have to click the customize column. When you customize the column, means according to this, you can make a columns. So the figure 5.4, customize address list dialog box. Click here, customize address list. Click 5 option, add, click here, delete. You can add and you can delete the list. Field name, title, first name, last name, company name, address line 1, address line 2, city, state, zip code, country or region, home phone, work phone, email address. Show all option in the customize address list dialog box in figure 5.4. And after it, figure 5.6, message box to confirm delete of fields. Message box confirm when you delete home phone, any information in this field also deleted. When delete home, delete the column, any information in this field will also be deleted. If any information in column, if you delete the column, then all information will delete. Column will delete, information will delete. Next, figure 5.7, add field dialog box. If you want to add field, some add, then type a name of your field, just like mobile number, that you can write the mobile numbers of the persons. Next, records, figure 5 and mobile numbers, figure 5.7 add field, and next figure 5.8. In this option, add new address list dialog box, fields, and see the field, and records, and click here for records. In the records fields, just like title, first name, last name, address 1, city, state, country, origin. So these are the fields. As you add the field mobile number, as add the field particular person's nickname. So records, the all field with the data is called the records. Suppose that Mr. Rahul, last name Mr. Alina, last name first name Mr. Rahul, title Mr. first name Rahul, last name Goyal, address 45 Dev Apartment, city Noida, state UP, country of region India. If you want to add the mobile number, and same the last figure 5.7 address, add to dialog box and write the mobile number. So these are under the different fields. But if you jointly say about the total area, that's called the records. As same other next, Mrs. Elena Gautam, title Mrs. first name Elena Gautam, 30th Ashok Vihar, city Delhi, state Delhi, country region India, and write other field add the mobile number and other extra if you want. If you want the position in the company, the manager, profile, workman, CEO, so you can add the new add field, just like mobile number add you before some time, as you same the add the position. Okay, and after the add the field, here the also 4 options: new entry, delete entry, find, customize column. Okay, and after that you can click OK. Then add the outfit, add the new address list to dialog box. And this is the figure 5.8, and after it figure 5.9. In this option, type the name of the file, save the address list, click here, save, recipient, file name, by data source, document data source, click here, OK. Next, mail merge recipient, data source, MDV, last name Goyal, first name Rahul, title, you can click here, recipient, data source, MDV mail merge. Okay, click on the next, write your data in mail merge task name. So this will be your new option. So after 3 options, my next video I will describe you again. Only in this video I described it to you. Select document type, select starting document, select recipient, and next video I will describe you, write your letter, preview your letters, and complete the merge. So after in 3 steps, your mail merge chapter will finish. Okay, next video what will describe? I will describe you, write your letter. Number 4, number 5, preview your letters, and 6, complete the merge. My dear student, I want to say to you one thing is that you have book. So all students the book, with the help of book, you can read carefully, or if any problem. So there were so many pictures on the different pages, and very clear picture. By the help of computer, you can learn. And I have already described the whole chapter. Right now I have to describe the half chapter, and half chapter described in next video. Okay, bye bye.